Which kapamilya actor slash actors would you want to work with in the future?
And si Joshua Garcia.
How do you see yourself having a kissing scene or intimacy with Joshua if ever na project with ABS-CBN?
Uy.
How do I see myself kissing him?
Hindi ka kakabahan?
Parang mas kakabahan siya.
Yun!
Ayun!
Tapos ang usapan.
You're the one that inside.